If you haven't started building apps with Claude Code or OpenAI's Codex to save yourself time, to automate your work, to help your clients, to make your job easier, you're basically missing the biggest technological innovation that we've ever seen in our lives. Months ago on one of my live streams, I said that singularity had arrived. And the real reason was that software was now creating software. And we're basically going to see infinite amount of new software. Doesn't mean you can necessarily build a $1 million a year SaaS product. You can, but it definitely means you can save a lot of time, cut down costs, replace other apps that you're spending a lot of money on. Personally, I've made over 1,000 commits in my GitHub, which means I've, uploaded at least 1,000 different variations over the last 6 months of a variety of different apps. I'm going to show you 7, 8, 9 of my apps that I've built today as inspiration. I'm going to walk you through some of the ones I made, give you some ideas, show you kind of what's possible. I have zero experience in coding. I don't know anything about coding. I don't know anything about JavaScript, Python, tech stacks. I really don't know anything, but I learned enough to produce apps that are saving me a lot of time. I've really changed my life and how I work through these apps. And I think really anyone can get into this. So let's take a look at some of the apps I've built. And along the way, I'll kind of explain more of my thinking about what's going on here and what's really possible. All right, here's one of the more complex apps I've built. And this was me taking a shot at maybe creating some software that other people would use and pay for. It's basically an AI-powered content creation tool, very AI native. If you look in here, this is the dashboard. You can do things like interview yourself and learn about your brand voice, get information and research and thinking around your niche and your offer, your ideal client avatar. There's a feature here called the flywheel where you could basically give it a small amount of information and it will write a month of content for you for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Not only that, you can compose content, you can add images, you can schedule, you can upload. And there's even different elements like you can train this tool on how you reply comments and it could technically start replying for you. It will also track analytics and it will create an intelligence report every month and help you improve your content. So that's something I've done. It includes like right now I have 28 different tools, things like the endless idea generator, the YouTube script writer, Instagram caption writer, copy enhancer, YouTube thumbnail generator. All of these tools I'm using to do different jobs. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Rich+. I'm a freelance marketer. I've been doing that for 10 years. The marketing industry has changed a lot. And I definitely feel that building applications to replace some of the tedious work you do is a big part of what's possible. Not only am I a freelance marketer, I also help people become freelance marketers. So I ended up rebuilding my own training platform. And this is quite a robust platform as well. And basically I've put all my courses in here, everything I'm teaching people. I've got how many courses here? About, 25 courses in here. Things like full stack marketing, the 1-person marketing agency, fractional CMO. And now I'm building up the 100x marketer, which is a lot of the AI courses. I've been able to do things like build my own, personal chat responder based on all of my knowledge. A lot of features here that I don't want to get into, but some of the cool things might be things like the case study builder. It'll help you write like a really great case study and you can download it and publish it online. There is a pipeline builder where it will help you find leads. You can search up leads and you can, go into them and build out proposals and you can draft marketing reports automatically. Some pretty crazy stuff. And real quick, guys, I do want to let you know that I am starting to run challenges to build your first app. This is part of the Rich+UX Academy. So if you want to join my next challenge, go to richux.com/challenge, learn about it. building your first app will be absolutely life-changing. Let's go into some of the more things I've done. One more thing for myself is my own website, richux.com. Of course, in the past, I used WordPress and Webflow and Go High Level. Now I'm just building websites directly with AI. I don't really do the edits or changes anymore. I let AI pretty much do it all. And I'm pretty happy with the design and how you can build cool backend elements. Like, for instance, if you opted for my book, the one person marketing agency, and you come through, you can actually start listening. This is my audiobook right away, which I just think is a pretty cool thing. And, a lot of other cool stuff here. Check out richux.com. On my resources page, I put a lot of different tools here that you can use and you might find interesting. Here's something I wasn't planning to show, but it's pretty fun. It's called the Life Left Calculator. Life is shorter than you think. You basically enter where you live, how old you are, how much sleep you get. You click on this button and it tells you, how much life you have left. So it's like meant to remind you to get moving and take action. So this is something pretty cool that I built with AI. Some stuff for my clients that I want to talk about. I call this the GS Studio. It's for one of my clients. And basically, I don't want to get into it. It takes a bit too long to show it, but every content task this client was doing, I basically built like a little tool, and you drop a little transcript here. It writes an email. Same with social hooks. You put in a transcript and it writes social hook, and there's some repurposing here. These are the basics. This is what you can do basically when you combine, a basic app with AI. AI can create stuff for you. Here's another tool I created for one of my clients. It's an invoicing tool. It's really basic, but he didn't have anything that was designed for him. As you can see, he's invoiced over 7 figures of value. What's pretty cool about something like this is we created this thing called the AI review, or the pricing rationale. So what it will do, it will analyze the quote and it will basically say, hey, you might have forgotten to add this, or, last time you charged this much for that, and you might want to look into that. It takes a couple of seconds to produce it because it's basically going to go look at the database of all the other invoices or quotes and come back to us. And then the generate pricing rationale is really cool because clients are finding that their clients are putting their quotes into AI and coming back to them and trying to negotiate. So we thought we'd beat them to the punch, and we would produce a document where AI would review the quote and give a reason as to why everything is the way it is. So here's the AI review. So the AI wrote all of this in just a matter of seconds. It's giving you green lights and yellow lights, like how you might want to adjust it. Let's just check out the generate pricing rationale, because I do think that's cool. It might take a few seconds, but basically the way I see things is almost every app really should be built again with AI native features in it. There's no point not to, because there's so much enhancement you can use with AI. And anytime you have a lot of data, here's the pricing rationale here. Anytime you have a lot of data, AI is going to really help you go through that data and give you powerful reflections and ideas. So as you can see, like, it's giving a rationale as to why every single line item in the quote is priced the way it is. So client is pretty happy about this. This was saving him a lot of time because he was writing every quote by hand. And basically I just uploaded all his past quotes and invoices and created a huge library of all the different things he might want to add into a quote, and basically saving him a lot of time from finding those each and every time. And of course, I just gave it to AI. I didn't write all of this. It figured it out all itself. My yoga client who runs a yoga studio wanted me to build an app where students could go through like a library of these postures, and basically they would be able to drag and drop postures in and create their own sequences. And so it would look something like this, and they would be able to print it out or share it online, and it would help them remember like what the yoga sequence is, because he does yoga teacher trainings. after I started learning all of this and getting really good, I said, maybe I should start helping other people build apps. And I really think that's a part of the future as well. So something new I'm working on is called Systems Not Staff. And basically, being able to build tools so that you don't have to hire someone. There's going to be so many solopreneurs who get busy and need help. And instead of hiring someone, they're really going to start to look to AI and applications and systems. And so when I get a client, basically this system for me looks them up, evaluates the questionnaire they fill out, and it figures out, how much time it can save them just from a few questions. I walk them through that. And if they want me to build it for them, we talk about that. So there's like this brief, there's this preparatory work, there's the questionnaire they fill out. We enrich it based on some research. There's a proposal that you can generate once you paste the call transcript in. You can see the activity stages and everything's going on. It's fully integrated with Go High Level. Once you start figuring this stuff out, you start connecting it to the API of other tools you use so they can talk to each other. And again, I have no experience in creating applications or SaaS. And every single thing you just saw, Zcat, the Academy, my website, this calculator, this content repurposer, this invoicing tool, this drag and drop application, this backend CRM, like I've never built anything like this before. So it's pretty exciting what's possible. I've also built like my own lead sourcing tool to find digital marketing jobs. So this is called careers.richux.com. And essentially what it does is every single day it goes out on the internet and it looks up all the jobs, remote jobs that are out there for digital marketers. And if I want, I can apply to them. I can email them. I can look them up on LinkedIn. I can enriches it with contact data. And I've been feeding that to my students over here. If you come back to the Academy, you can come to the Daily Leads tab and basically see all of those same opportunities. Looks like, yeah, here it is. So today's opportunity, there was 4 matches that come in. It basically rates it based on your skill set, gives you a match percentage, and you can open it up and it even tells you like how to approach this opportunity based on your profile. If you guys want to stay up to date on AI, on digital marketing, freelancing, remote income, I highly recommend you join my academy. I run Friday calls every week where I'm giving tips, answering questions. We're a community. We talk, we share ideas. This could be the biggest ROI in your life. If you're not working with people who are up to date on AI, using Claude, you're really missing out. You need to surround yourself with people who are really up on top of things. Oh, and the last one I'm going to show you today is pretty fun. It's more of a concept piece, but basically the client who does the invoicing, they create docs. And so what I did is I built a tool where you can put in an address and Google satellites will capture an image of that address and you can crop a particular house you want and it will superimpose like a doc design or help them visualize what a new doc might look like. And basically Claude will do an analysis, which kind of doc makes sense, what's possible. And it gives you like a quality assurance rating. Does it make sense? And then the next feature that if you want to do it is it designs this little postcard here and gives you a before and after. And you can mail out this postcard using an API system. It's probably like 50 cents or $1 to send that postcard. So it could be sales materials as well. So that's 9 apps that I've built with Claude Code in the last, 6 months. Just to show you guys that, I'm the one building this. I'll just show you one more thing. Come on over here to my GitHub. And if you come to my GitHub, you go to my profile, Rich UX, you can see basically on like February 14th, Valentine's Day, I installed Claude Code for the first time and you can see these green dots, and the stronger the green dot is, the more I've been posting. You can see 984 commits or contributions. So if you have 10 apps, you do 100 contributions on each, you're really developing them quite a lot. And I don't see myself stopping. I spend $100 a month on Claude. I love it. And just again, guys, come on over to richux.com/challenge join me for the next challenge. It's actually coming up this weekend, July 24th. I'm sure I'll run another one. But if you want to build your first app and learn how to market it, come join me for the Build Something Real challenge. It's going to be fun. This stuff really excites me. It's kind of like, I was a marketer. Now I can build my own products. It's kind of like being a real estate agent, but now you can build your own house. It opens up so many opportunities, so many doors. And this is going to be the future of the internet for the next 5 to 10 years, is building personal software, building software for other people who don't have time to do it, and then knowing how to market software effectively. It's a little different than, like, say, local businesses or online coaching. Promoting software online has its own challenges and uniqueness, but I just think there's going to be so much software developed in the next 10 years. And what is the value of it? I'm not sure, because everyone's slowly able to build it themselves. But I'm sure that there's a window of 3 to 5 years where only 5% of people are even doing this. I think I heard like less than 1% of people are actually using something like Claude Code. So you should jump on this bandwagon early. There's immense amount of money to be made to make software for other people and maintain it and get paid monthly to maintain these tools. And I'm telling you, it's really quite easy once you get the hang of it. And that's why I created the Build Something Real challenge, is to show people this is pretty easy. I have no experience in this, and I taught myself, and I can teach you as well. So thanks for checking out this video. I hope it inspires you to go make your own app. Maybe I'll see you in one of my challenges. Maybe I'll see you over at the Academy. You can check down below for links. Have a great one.